Hello, I'm Gail Kindig with Regions Bank. Welcome to the first of many Nashville area homebuyer workshops. First of all, I would like to congratulate you on taking the first step towards homeownership. Tonight we have a panel of experts here to introduce you to the home buying process. First of all, we'll be talking about qualifying for your home with Steve Gooden with Regions Mortgage. Next, is it the right time to buy with Mike Worsham from RE/MAX, and yes, it is the right time to buy. Inspecting your home with John Watkins, Nashville Home Inspectors. Insuring your home with Greer Carr Farmers Insurance. Last, we'll talk about closing your home with Kevin Montgomery, Premier Escrows. At this time, I'll turn the event over to Steve Gooden.
Steve Gooden, of course, with Regions Bank, and I'm just going to go over the 4 pieces of a mortgage. And the first part of it is the qualifying. And of course, when you qualify, there are certain things that we're looking for. We're looking for your credit. And on the credit, the lowest credit score that we're using is a 580 credit score. The credit is sometimes, if you have no credit, sometimes can give us issues, but we are trained in helping people figure out how to establish credit. The assets, on the assets, that's pretty simple. That's basically your monies for closing, and your monies from closing can come from your own funds. It can come from a gift from a significant other. It can come from a gift from a family member. It can come from a gift from agencies such as THDA, Tennessee Housing Development. And assets are pretty easy to qualify. Either we just get a copy of your bank statement or your most current bank statements. It can be in your checking or savings account, or again, it can be a gift. The debt load, typically what we're looking for on the debt load is not anything over 43% of your gross monthly income. So if we take your total house payment, your car payment, your Visa, your MasterCard, your student loans, as long as it does not exceed 43%, it should be a comfortable payment for you. And then, of course, the income being one of the most biggest pieces of the puzzle. Your income, if you work hourly, we go with this formula of 40 hours per week, 52 weeks per year, divided by 12 months, and gives us a gross monthly income. Your income can be a salary, so if you get paid a base salary, it's just a matter of dividing your salary by 12 months. If you have income that's from commission, or if you have income that's from bonus income, then what we're going to ask for is your last 2 years' tax returns, so we can average out the last 24 months of your income. And the qualifying ratios on your income are typically 31%, which means if you make $1,000 a month, your comfortable house payment would be $310 per month. If you make $2,000 a month, your comfortable payment would be $620 a month, etc. And of course, income is fairly easy to document. Sometimes it gets complicated with tax returns and so forth, but again, we have formulas to help figure that out. And together, when you have all 4 pieces of this, it gives you the cornerstone of a sound mortgage, of a good solid foundation. And again, we're going to talk about if you're self-employed, or if you get bonus income or overtime or commission. We want 2 years of tax returns. We're going to ask you for your bank statements, your most current pay stubs. Depending on what your qualifications are, we may have a program that's better suited for you for FHA loans, which is 3.5% down. If you're a veteran, you can get in with 0 money down. We have some community reinvestment loans that have 0 money down. And of course, the conventional loans, when you put down 20%, you're not required to carry the mortgage insurance, but we can get into that later. To qualify, all you got to do is just give me a telephone call, and we can get you pre-qualified or pre-approved in just a few minutes over the telephone. You can email and qualify through the internet or on email. You can go to my web page and qualify on the web page.